Everything's getting loaded right now. Alright. Now it's live. Nope, I don't want to leave. Okay, what do I do? Avatar, control, yep, this is your typical Roblox kid games. Roblox game, kids. Dyslexia. So from here, cool. Hey, and that's kind of what you do. That's good. Oh, am I supposed to go in the red? Oh, I made that, right? No, I didn't make that, actually. Oh, I skipped it and it made it for me. Oh, okay. Anyway, that's it, guys. That's it. You stop the game, you go back out, you do modifications, you test your game, you do it again, you test it again, you go through a lot of processes. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you for being here. I see you have interest in this. It's not hard to be a programmer. Let me show you one last thing. I want to show you where the code is. You're wondering, where is this code? Well, okay. Yes, underneath the veil. Let's do that. Let's at least find that. So I'm going to go over, probably close my, right here. I'm going to close this. The code is within these folder structures. Depends on the object and depends on the creator, but I think I can search. Let's do Lua. That's not gonna do anything here. Drive. It might be drive. Drive seed. Scripts. There we go. Okay. So that's the problem. I see that. Car. Workspace. Remember this. Workspace. Car. Scripts. Because we can't. I don't think we can open this exact location, can we? Oh, don't. That would be a nice feature. But okay. Workspace, car, script, not animation. Okay. Going. Workspace, car, script. Uh-huh. Oh, well, duh. Okay, there it is. Alright, so chases, effects. You would do this. You would be good at this. I'm so... You want to be organized. This guy's very organized. I underestimated how organized he was, and I didn't see that there was a script right there. But now you know how to figure it out if you can't find a script. You don't really look for something that might make the script stand out. This one was vehicle, driver. There, so drive, driver. So there's all of the particular scripts nicely tucked in. There's those particular values that are knobs in the attributes area where we saw earlier, or down here in the attributes, right? We don't have those attributes anymore because the car is not selected. We're somewhere else. But when you select the car, the whole object together shows you those attributes. Here are the actual attributes that it shows you inside of these scripts. And how you open these, I will just double click. Double clicking open up the code, and you're looking for these little scripted little box with little lines on it. That's going to be your code. There's your variables, local variables versus global. There's some game state services. You can use these services to do anything that we talked before, including making Robux exchange between user and server, selling things basically. Also loading up old saved data. So if somebody has a house in a specific area, you have to load it from a saved cloud, which is where Roblox comes in with that save storage per user. And you'll kind of have these sort of things. You'll be able to basically expand your game into a real full-size service instead of just like an experience. When you have the case where a few people walk in and you have stuff popping out and like, I got scared from that ghost and this and that, and then you walk to the end and it's over. There was no points, there was no money, the experience was very minimum. Still a good experience, and some people can make it real good, but if you want a good, organized, well thought out game, especially something like Doors, I really do like Doors, but other ones, they're kind of give or take. Point system, yeah. Smooth, yeah, it's pretty cool. Anyway, thank you for watching. Appreciate you. And whenever you do decide to actually go into one of our courses, I'll be able to help with anything that you'd like to know, at least up to my knowledge. But I do basically make these games. And another video in the future, I'll actually explore a bit more about my creations and the world that I've created to basically teach every student as kind of a workbench. Every student should have a world like a workbench, just a place you play around with the code. Every language, C, C++, Java, JavaScript, PHP, whatever language you use, you always want a workbench, whether it's just a folder with all your code or a world where you can actually look at your actual creations, right? So that's the great thing about Roblox is you're in a world, 3D virtual world, and you're actually creating your stuff, and you can look at it, test it out, run it, code it, change it, and go on from there. But I'll show a little bit more about my world later in the future, especially if this video gets some good hits. If you share this and this video gets a big hit, I will share my world and I'll show you where I actually teach my students, and which will maybe give you a better idea of how we do further classes together. So I'm Christoph, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in one of my sessions. Bye.